Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you the wire forming pliers by Beadaholique. Now we have three different varieties here, but if you are a wire worker or you make a lot of loops, these are going to be essential for you. All right, so let me start over here with the concave and round nose pliers. Now this, for us at Beadaholique is a favorite tool. So I just want you to kind of stare down the barrel there and you can see that it has a little loop that comes around. So as you press your wire in there, it's going to concave just like that. So this is going to be great if you're doing a lot of simple wire loops. Now I do want to point out and just kind of show you how it fits in my hand. This is really nice and comfortable. I also, personally, I love this kind of purpley blue color. It's really great. But I do want to show you also that these pliers are nice and hefty. They're not heavy in your hand, but they definitely have a really great quality to them that is going to be fantastic to use over and over again. So these are the concave and round nose pliers together. And then we also have the 6-in-1 pliers. Now these are going to be great if you're doing anything where you have to make a bail or anything like that. So again, it just kind of looking down the barrel there so you can see that it's in essence a nice little sort of round nose plier, but instead of it tapering, it actually kind of steps down instead. So you're going to have 6 different sizes. So you're going to have a 2mm, a 3mm, a 3.5mm, a 5.5mm, a 7, and a 9. So again, just kind of looking down the barrel there, you're going to see that that entire shaft is that same size, which is going to be great for making bails or just consistent size loops. So again, really great if you are a wire worker. And again, this is a nice hefty tool, so it's going to be nice and strong to work with lots of different gauges of wire. All right, now we kind of have the hybrid of those two. We have the concave and 3-step round nose pliers. So again, we have 3 different sizes here, but these ones are going to be a little tapered, but it does have those little notches there so you can get some nice consistency. And again, just kind of looking down there, you see that it has that nice little U shape happening, and that's going to bend your wire around that round nose piece very easily. Really a wonderful tool. So again, if you are into wire wrapping or you like to make really nice consistent loops, let's say you're making loops and loops and loops and loops, these are going to be wonderful wire forming pliers for you. And you can get all 3 of these by heading over to beadaholique.com. And also while you're there, you will find thousands of free tutorials to learn how to use these tools and how to create beautiful jewelry. If you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.